Hello, this is Biamukama Ronald, and I'm going to be taking you through this week's project of building virtual machines with access storage. So first of all, I wanted to show you the virtual machines that I was able to build. So these are the virtual machines that I was able to build, and you can see that they are all in different regions. We have Switzerland, UAE, Italy. These are the virtual machines for each group. This is the customer success has two virtual machines, the engineering has two virtual machines, and the sales marketing has two virtual machines. So I'm going to use resource groups to show you how the storage that are attached to these virtual machines. So because each group has a resource group, and we attached a disk for storage, it also shows all the virtual machines and all the other utilities in that group. So you can see some of the resource groups. This is a resource group for sales marketing, and we also have a resource group for customer success and a resource group for engineering. So I'm going to choose the resource group for sales marketing, which is going to show us most of the things that we set for this account, as you are going to see. Yeah, so you can see that in our source group for sales marketing, we have our virtual machines, and this is the disk, the storage that we attached to this resource group. You can see the storage account and many more other services. So our main focus is going to be on the disk. So for an example that is big for resource sales marketing, you can see the disk size, the storage, and all the services of the disk. This is the disk that we attached, and you can see this is the virtual machine that is managed by this disk, and a lot of other stuff. So we're also going to see the security controls. Access control using Entra ID. Access to each resource groups is controlled using Microsoft Entra ID security groups, and each department group has permissions assigned only to its own resource group. So this ensures that it ensures that users can only access servers and storage assigned to their department. Yeah, so as we go to the role of we put the virtual machine. I'm going to search for the access control user login. Yeah, so as you can see, there is a role for the virtual machine user login down here below. And what it allows you to view virtual machines in the portal, log in the virtual machine as a regular user, an admin user, and users can access the VM. Users cannot administer the VM, and also users from other groups cannot view this VM. Yeah, so this was done for every other resource group and every other group. As I also use RDP. As you can see, these are the RDP files that are downloaded, and I use RDP to connect to my virtual machines, which I use in mapping the network drive to create the storage accounts. Yeah, so I did this for each and every other virtual machine that I created.